A very good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to GK class. Today in this GK class we are going to do GK book work. So take out your GK book. Open page number 48. Open page number 48. Write down today's date, that is 16/1/21. Okay. Now, what is the chapter name? Common symbols. What is the chapter name? Common symbols. Look, shall we start with our work? A symbol is a mark or emblem that stands for a particular thing or organization. Write what the following symbols stand for. In this page, some symbols are given. Okay. Some symbols are there, yes or no? Yes. You have to tell that what this symbol stands for. Look at the yellow box, some clues are given. You can take the help of these clues. So, shall we start? Look at the very first picture. A green color earth is there, yes or no? So, what is this? It is the symbol of eco-friendly. Look at the D option. D, eco-friendly. Write down on first picture, write it down. D. Okay. And then write down eco-friendly. Eco-friendly. Okay. Now, come to second symbol. Which symbol is this? The red cross. Red cross is the symbol for hospital. Yes or no? So, in second number, write it down first of all A. Look at the A clue. What is given? The red cross. Okay. Here write it down. The red cross. Okay, beta. Now come to third picture. Look, which picture is this? A green color arrows are there. They are. This is the symbol of recycle. On the third number, write it down C. Look at the C clue. What is this? Recycle. Okay. Recycle. Understood? Now, come to fourth number. A blue color symbol. Look at the blue color symbol. Where you have seen this? This symbol you have seen in the television or not? Yes. This is the symbol of Doordarshan. So, in the fourth number, write it down B. Okay. Now write it down Doordarshan. Doordarshan. Okay. Now come to fifth one. Look at the fifth logo. Which logo is this? Of yellow and black color. This is the logo that denotes the radiation. So, in fifth number, write it down H. And here radiation. Radiation. Okay. Now come to sixth logo. 5 rings are there of blue, black, red, yellow and green color. Yes, this is the symbol of the Olympics. Write down number 6 and J. The Olympics. The Olympics. So look at the first one. What you have to write? D. Eco-friendly. Second, A. The red cross. Third, C. Recycle. Fourth, B. Doordarshan. Fifth, H. Radiation. Sixth, J. The Olympics. Okay. Now come to 7th number. Here I am going to write down the 7th number. Okay. 7th. Look at the 7th picture. This picture shows what? Danger. So write it down. E. Danger. Okay. Now come to 8th number. L. This picture, look, in this picture black color shadows there of woman. Okay, this shows the health age. Write down health age. Okay. Now look at the 9th picture. A blue color circle is there. This picture denotes what? This denotes, this is the symbol of State Bank of India. So write down I and State Bank of India. Okay. Now look at the 10th picture. A panda is there and written WWF. What is this? This denotes Worldwide Fund for Nature. Write down number 10. G. Okay. G. World Wide Fund for Nature. Worldwide Fund for Nature. Now look at the 11th picture. This picture denotes what? This picture denotes for justice. So in 11 number write down F and justice. Okay. Justice. Now come to 12th number. Look at this blue color symbol. What it shows? It is the symbol for the United Nations. Okay. Write it down. A. The United Nations. symbol denotes the United Nations. Now look here this side. At 7th number, what you have to write? E, danger. Okay. In 8th number, L, help, age. In number 9, State Bank of India. 10th, G, Worldwide Fund for Nature. 11th, F, Justice. 12, K, the United Nations. Okay. Copy it down fast and remember no spelling mistake should be there. Okay. Copy it fast. Done. Now I am going to erase it. Okay. Turn your page. Open page number 49. Write down today's date. Write down the today's date in page number 49, that is 16/1/21. Look, what is the chapter name? Play time. Play time. Look, a poem is written in this page in yellow color box. So shall we start with the poem? Bye bye classroom, bye bye teachers, bye bye books and schools. Welcome friends, come let's play Ludo, Scrabble and Pool. Now one time repeat it with me. Bye bye classroom, bye bye teachers, bye bye books and school. Welcome friends, come let's play Ludo, Scrabble and Pool. This poem you have to learn, okay? Now look, identify the name of the following games. Here the pictures of some games are given. What you have to do? You have to identify this game and tell their names. Okay? So are you ready? Okay. Look at the very first picture. Which game is this? This is dominoes. Which game is this? Dominoes. So in number 1, write it down, dominoes. Okay. In first one, write down dominoes. Second, Yahtzee. Which game is this? Yahtzee. In second number, write it down. Yahtzee. Okay. Now come to third one. Which game is this? This is Connect 4. Which game is this? Connect 4. Okay. In third number, write it down. Connect 4. Okay. Everyone has written. Now look at the fourth picture. Which game is this? This is Chinese checkers. Which game is this? Chinese checkers. This is Chinese checkers. Now come to fifth number. Look at the fifth picture. Which game is this? This is Monopoly. In fifth number, write it down. Monopoly. Okay. Now come to sixth picture. Which game is this? In this game you have to make a word, make a one spelling. Okay. So which game is this? Scrabble. So in sixth number, write it down, Scrabble. Okay. Now come to seventh number. Come to seventh number. Look. Which game is this? This is the picture of Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. This game is known as Rubik's Cube. look at the 8th picture. Which game is this? This is the Pictionary. 8th number, write it down. Pictionary. Okay. Now look at the last picture. Which game is this? What is written over the cards? Uno. U-N-O. Uno. Yes. So this is the Uno game. Okay. So here the name of the some game which was shown in this picture. You have to write it down and also learn it. Okay. Your homework is learn page number 48 and 49 in book. Okay. Understood everyone? It means we have done 2 pages today now. Page number 48 and 49. You have to learn both pages. Okay. This is the homework. Now copy it down fast. Done everyone? Okay, thank you.